Companies have incredibly complex IT infrastructures. Not only are they complex, they're always bringing in new technologies, but they're starting now to move into virtual and cloud environments as well. So you end up with a lot of sensitive data in a lot of different departments across the board in a lot of different places. And at that point, it becomes very hard to manage and secure that data from a governance point of view. That's one of the biggest challenges we see. Our company works a lot with securing that data at rest through encryption key management. So folks who are attempting to encrypt sensitive data because they need to meet compliance regulations also need to manage their encryption keys in a secure locational way from that encrypted data. So the challenge there is if you have all this data spread across the board in different departments and those are siloed, how do you manage all those encryption keys from a central location? So that's a big challenge that we're working on right now to help customers who are facing that complexity challenge really try to manage and solve. Things that we're going to see in the next year or two with key management vendors, well, across the board, you have to sort of look at who are the big players in key management today. And there's a handful of them, and they're all doing key management really well. But they also are excelling in certain specific areas. Like you have some vendors who are really good at the hardware part of it, and you have some vendors who are really good at the multi-platform. Key management vendors are working with end customers who have really complex systems, right? And more and more today we see key management vendors working together to try to solve those complexity issues. One of the really great things about SNIA and what they're doing is key management interoperability protocol, and that's really working in the end user's advantage when they're working with key management vendors because it allows them to work with multiple key management vendors. It also allows them to switch their key management vendor if they're unsatisfied with one or would like the benefits of a different key management vendor that is just doing something differently that they're more interested in doing.